Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a pop-up discolorations caption with just few clicks on CapCut mobile. So just add a
That's why
video
I'm even
with
doing this interview. You know, like I
dialogue
used to
on
get a
it
lot
or
of anxiety
conversation
around
on it
having
like this.
conversations like this. So
And after that, you can just go to text to generate the captions. Click on the auto caption and just click on generate. Wait for it to finish, and after that here just click on the captions and go to style animations. Click on the captions tab and find the pop-up discoloration animations. Just scroll down. Okay, this one's right here.
that's why
Click
I'm
on the
even doing this
animation,
interview.
click on the check icon, and there you go. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for
Like
watching.
my
Don't forget to like,
time
comment, and subscribe.
having a
Also click on
conversation
thanks.
like this.
Bye.